Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now we need to go run some errands. We need to go to T-Mobile, wash the car, and then go to Walmart. So we're gonna go do that right now. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family.
Follow!
Don't say that! But we'll see you guys at the car wash. 88245. We're at the car wash now.
Here we go!
I feel bad because Paisley closes her eyes every time. Like, she loves coming to the car wash, but yet she still closes her eyes. And there goes Raylan, babe. Raylan's starting to freak out now too. Oh no! Now she's all clean. So Tyler and I got Apple Watches recently, and so he wants to look at screen protectors to see if we can find any, because we keep hitting them and we're just scared that the screen's gonna get all messed up.
Yeah.
Alright, so Tyler's getting this one and I'm getting that one. Ray Ray! Ray Ray! You want more? Yeah, you want those? Now I'm looking to get Ray more sippy cups. She has the purple version of these ones, but they only have the green or blue, and I want to get her the girl colors. But then they have...
She's a little boy.
But then they have these ones too. That actually we use these with P. Remember, we don't have them anymore because you have to replace them. Okay. She can hold her bottle, so I feel like she's gonna be 9 months at the end of this month.
Her bottle is heavier than these.
Yes, so I feel like she might be okay with having these.
This is a 9 month plus anyway. Right?
Grab that other one because this one was kind of just sitting there. Okay, we're gonna get these ones for Ray.
Whoa.
Those are gonna fall.
Singles.
We're gonna make some banana bread, but we only have one loaf tin, so we need to get another one.
Do we make round banana bread? Round banana bread. Banana cake.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
We washed our car and it's freaking raining.
Every fucking time.
Every time. It always happens like that. So we scheduled a haircut appointment for Nova, and she's done, so we're here picking her up right now. Let's go see how pretty she looks. Nova! Oh my gosh! Hi, baby! Come here! Hi, baby! You look so good! Come here, Nova! Nova, come here! Come here! Hi, baby! Oh my gosh, babe, she looks so good! She looks so freaking good! Oh, you can see her nub again! Oh my gosh! Does she look good? You're so happy to have your puppy back, huh? Oh. Are you putting lines on the chops?
I am.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know why.
And then there's mashed potatoes, and now I'm gonna make the girls' dinner because Paisley won't eat the chops, and obviously Raylan can't either. have some mashed potatoes, corn, and some chops. Here's Pea's food, if you know, picky toddler meal right here. And then here's Ray's food. If you're wondering what this is, it's like a peanut butter banana roll-up, I guess you can call them, a French toast peanut butter banana roll-up or whatever. And then some puffs, which are these ones.
The next day.
Are you making banana bread?
Yeah.
Yeah. It has been a long day already, and we still have a lot more to go. We're gonna be making banana bread right now, and then we have some fireworks to go watch later tonight, and we're gonna get Wing Shack, and yeah. But for now, enjoy us making some banana. Oh my gosh. But for now, enjoy us making some banana bread. Here's the before and after. It looks so delicious. We are heading to Greeley to go meet up with Tyler's family to go watch the LaSalle's fireworks. I'm pumping on the way there, and we're gonna meet up at Wing Shack to get some food. We have not had Wing Shack in like 2 years. It's been so long, so we're excited for that. So yeah, we're gonna go get Wing Shack and go watch some fireworks. Delicious.
Shack of the wings. Hey, me.
It's not focusing.
No, Amy, no, my God.
And then Miss P got some Chick-fil-A. Sadly, it's freaking raining, but hopefully it stops raining by 9 o'clock when the fireworks start. It just downpoured so freaking hard. I really hope that they don't cancel the fireworks.
It's pissed on us.
Oops. Those wings slapped, huh? Those were freaking good.
I've never seen anything this wet.
Now I'm gonna enjoy some fries. Dude, quit! Bro. Really? He's a freaking pain in my ass. This is why I don't put him in my vlogs. If you guys ever wonder why Tyler's not in my vlogs, it's because he has nothing appropriate to say. He has no filter. No filter at all.
You wanna know what I'm thinking of right now?
Shh, don't say it.
You don't wanna know.
Oh no.
It's not the only white thing that's gonna be
Cut
it out.
And Raylan is freaking out because of their name. Haley was just freaking out. But I guess I'll let you guys know if they do the fireworks or not.
It's a party in the USA. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking this? You gotta be from